ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this lace closure sew-in bob. Super cute, super edgy, super springtime, summertime. Not a lot of hair, but you still moving, still flowing. Get into me. Okay, super cute. Definitely achieved this hair with some hair store bundles, you guys. This is definitely beginner friendly, easy, do it yourself, easy DIY. And if you have any specific questions, let me know in the comments below. I will definitely respond back and answer your questions. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you tell a friend to come to my channel. And yeah, we're almost at 5K, guys. So exciting. All right, y'all, see y'all next video. Okay, ladies, so this is the hair I'm going to be using. This is Sensational's lace closure bundle deal. It came with 3 bundles. I got the 10, 12, and 14, I believe, with the HD lace closure. So this is what the closure and the bundles look like. I got it in the natural black color, and yes, the bundles are thick. Now on to the process.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. can you go, baby? At last to my body, so the greatest thing, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking, please. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.